much, Megha. Was I right? She is very well trained. She got a great expression and a great spirit. And you can't imagine dancing like this for 30 seconds unless you are used to it, right? We know how our hands and legs go, right? I used to dance 10 years back, and I can't imagine doing same action in that speed right now. So thank you so much, Megha. You are amazing as always, and appreciate you doing the first classical dance to start with. Now we are changing with the fast, beautiful Bollywood rhythm. There are three ladies coming, Lavanya, Komal and Sridevi. Three of them are moms, wives, and they still keep their culture and passion very highly together. So I'm really proud to welcome Sridevi, Lavanya and Sunita from Telugu Eastern. Thank you so much.
So give me a thumbs up, please. Those two bazingas, this one and that one? This one. So three and same group but separate.
Oh,
it down a
thank
bit.
you so much,
Louder.
Sunita, Lavanya, and
Yes.
Sridevi.
No, not too
What a good energy. Thank you
Just a
so
touch.
much. And you had a beautiful Marathi song, Lavrai Maji, I love it. I'm a Marathi girl, so I love the Shri Ganesha. Thank you so much. That was beautiful. This is, yeah, sure.
I hope you all enjoyed that performance. So happy Diwali from Team Telugu Essence. And thank you, Anju, for having us.
Thank you very much. I know it needs lots of practice to do this type of song because it is all step by step, right? And a new song come up and then you have new choreography. So it's not like a ballroom that you can repeat same action. It's every time the new song come up, we have to choreograph that and practice that. And thank you. I'm sure the ladies are busy with their life, but they make the time to practice and keep the culture going. Thank you very much, girls. Now the next one called Bazinga. So Bazinga is, you know from the name, it's very powerful, energetic dance group, and they are presenting actually a folk style dance, Rajasthani dance, to go with first. So I welcome these beautiful ladies, Rajasthani ladies, on a stage, and they're going to perform a beautiful dance called Rajasthani dance. And here we are. Music, please.
That's the next one.
केसरिया बालम आवो पधारो मारे देश रे पधारो मारे केसरिया बालम आवो लुक छिप ना जाओ जी हमारा दीद कराओ जी अरे क्यों तरसावे हो हमारा शकल दिखाओ जी हर शरारत सब जानू मैं चौधरी हर चले उन्हें बंगाली में कह लगे मर टुकड़े में जागी दो कड़ी रे गंगा में थारी चांदनी मन दामन में बांधी कसी रे झुम 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 ओ मर टुकड़े में जागी दो कड़ी रे गंगा में थारी चांदनी मन दामन
India because Rajasthan is one of the richest culture in India. Like everybody have really ancient culture in India. But anybody here been to Jaipur? Yes, yes, yes. It's mesmerizing, seriously. Like I'm a girl from Mumbai, always been in a crowded big city. And when I went to Jaipur, I was really gobsmacked to see the beauty and mainly the architectural beauty and the depth of people who created that beautiful land nearly 700 years ago, I think, or I'm not sure about that much about history, but must be last 400-500 years ago. There are lots of palaces built, but they had a system of a lift, system of how to store water, how to have animals stored well, how to have a drainage and everything, and beautiful, huge palaces. So Jaipur is a place to visit. And another thing, beautiful women and beautiful men. Seriously, really, everybody had a beautiful face structure. I'm artist, I was looking at it, I can paint him, I can paint her, I can do that. It was so inspiring. 2019, I was in Jaipur. I saw a little bit of Rajasthan. So I would like to know, the girls, how did you learn this? Are you all from Rajasthan? You're from South India. So you have Sneha, Pooja, and you are Sneha, Pooja, and Avantika. So who did the choreography? Can one of you? Oh, Shweta did the choreography. Okay, beautiful. Great. And Shweta not from Rajasthan, right?
No, I'm from Telangana.
Okay, yes, Telangana.
Just from my region.
All right, okay. My God, you look real Rajasthani here. We have faces that can create the magic, right? Thank you so much, girls. Thank you. So this was Buzzing Raj Rajasthani group. It's a folk dance. The simple action. Did you learn simple action of Rajasthan and how they twirl and everything? Lovely. Thank you very much, girls. And I wish I will visit Rajasthan again. Yeah? Sorry. Anybody of you would like to wish everybody happy Diwali?
Happy Diwali, everyone. Happy Diwali, everyone.
Thank you for the lovely performance. Thank you. So we saw before like a Gujarat and the style of little bit Gujarati and Marathi style dancing, and then we're going to have another folk dance, not folk dance, but it's all rooted with Bollywood but similar action. So when we say folk dance, India have too many states. I might say wrong numbers. I'm not going to say that. How many? You know, Mega? 29 states. It's a huge country. It's spread out. It got a snow. It got a desert. It got everything. Okay. So depending on where you are, if you are living north, you grow wheat a lot. So people eat wheat. In south, rice grow a lot. So they eat rice. Same with east, the rice grows a lot. The Bengali person can tell us. And on the west side, where I'm from, the grains grows a lot. So we eat many of dals and pulses and lentils. So depending on where you are, it's a huge country. From Mumbai to Calcutta, from west to east, it takes 2 days and 2 nights fast train to go within one country. So going to Wellington is really easy. 6 hours. Like my hometown was, we used to say close from Mumbai, which was 9 hours fast train. We used to think we are very close to Mumbai. So because of the big country, the direction and the distance is quite different than how we think. So here we had a folk dancers. I would like to check the Marathi style dancer is ready with the music. Ready, Myra? Runmai, ready? Yes. Great. Okay. So we are getting into the Marathi dance now. I am a Marathi girl, come from Mumbai and my hometown, and I love the language, very traditional, humble people, like to live simple life. And this is a Marathi style dance. She's wearing a Nawari sari, which is a traditional Marathi sari, and she got a cute little girl called Myra. She's going to dance with her as well. So they both are coming on a stage now, Myra and Runmai, with a Maharashtrian style dance. Welcome, Myra. dance so beautifully with Myra. We can't stop watching you. Hey, you just stealing the complete show while mom is dancing really fast and beautifully with Myra. Oh my God. Beautiful. Thank you so much, sweetheart. Thank you. Nurmai, this is the Marathi dance. Some of you might know the music. It's a quite famous song they dance with, and that's the style of the dancing. Now we are moving on again. If you remember, the first dancer was Medha, beautiful dancer. She belonged to one of the dance group, lovely girls called Desi Fever. Yes. So Desi Fever is a group of girls. They have created this group a couple of years ago, and they are performing everywhere at any events and many events. And as I know Medha, I'm sure the dance will be wonderful to watch. This is a Bollywood, a little bit traditional Bollywood, and then we're going to move on to the more modern one. So we welcome Medha's group, if they're all ready to come on a stage. So here is Medha, and I'm not sure everybody's name. Can you quickly tell us your name?
My name is Akshita.
Shrija, Kiru, Satvika. My goodness. When I was in a school, I had a very simple name. Mamta, Anju, Sunanda, maybe, or anything. But thank you girls, beautiful names. We're going to start with the Bollywood to start with first, and then you will see them again. So, Desi Fever. Everything okay? Lissy, we need you. Lissy. Track 6. Lissy, we need you. Can't find the track. Sorry about that, girls.
Something to do in motion?
Did you guys perform at Diwali? City Diwali? Which day you were there? Saturday, okay. Sunday, okay. I was there on 2 days, so I was looking at all the dancers passing, and I might see Medha in group, but I didn't see any of you. You can join in. Yes.
I'll just see if it works.
Yeah, on ready.
नमस्ते बहनों और भाइयों, बड़े ही कम शब्दों में आपको सुनाना चाहता हूँ उस साल का लोकप्रिय गीत ये
Yeah, just because I hate all the
ओए रब्ता जोगी होए ओए रब्ता जोगी मैं प्रेम दा प्याला पिया मैं प्रेम दा प्याला पिया एक पल में सदियां जिया ओए रब्ता जोगी
गीत कौन जरूरी जाना रवियो बात से करदा खाना रवियो बात से करदा खाना गीत कौन जरूरी जाना गीत कौन जरूरी जाना दिल लाडे अबे बनवा दे नाल 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 झुमका गिरा रे हाय झुमका गिरा रे बरेली की भाषा गिरा गिरा रे बरेली की भाषा में झुमका गिरा झुमका गिरा झुमका गिरा हाय 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 झुमका गिरा रे बरेली की भाषा में झुमका गिरा रे गोलीड़ा सैर वाली सैर के खींच लई करके घुमा ढोली डाला ढोल बाजा गोलीड़ा
Medan, Akshita, beautiful choreography, amazing. Good choice of songs as well, and keep the rhythm going. Beautifully danced. Thank you so much. Desi Fever will be back really soon after a couple of performances. Thank you again, Medha and group. Sorry, I can't remember everybody's name. Thank you. That was beautiful. Now we are moving next one. We are getting again a Rajasthani dancer, and she's going to do a beautiful slow dance. I wish you can move with her. Just see how she's moving because they are so simple and elegant that anybody can do it. Her name is Sneha Jain, and she is presenting a beautiful slow Rajasthani dance that we all can do it. I'm going to try. So welcome, Sneha.
पिया तो सीने ना लगे जाने क्या वो अब आगे पिया तो सी पिया तो सी पिया तो सीने ना लगे रात को जब चांद चमके जल उठे तन मेरा मैं कहूँ मत करो चंदा इस गली का फिरा हाँ ओ रात को जब चांद चमके जल उठे तन मेरा मैं कहूँ मत करो चंदा इस गली का फिरा तारा मोरा सैया जब आए चमकना उस रात को जब मिलेंगे तन मन मिलेंगे तन मन पिया तो से पिया तो से हवा के झोंके आज मौसमों से रूठ गए गुलों की शोखियाँ जो भवरे आके रूठ गए बदल रही है आज जिंदगी की चाल जरा इसी बहाने क्यों ना मैं भी दिल का हाल जरा सवार लूं सवार लूं सवार लूं सवार लूं सरमेदानी वर्गा है मेरा माही वे होर मैनू की चाहिदा सरमेदानी वर्गा है मेरा माही वे होर मैनू की चाहिदा ओदी पैर चाल सड़ा जद जद मैं तो बोलिया नी जांदा इक बात वी ओवे मुके दिन सतत पछाड़ के सैयो चुप कर जांदा ओ आप वे जदों अखियां दा नूर होए सावे दुपट्टा सिलो नहीं ओ लागेदा सरमेदानी वर्गा है मेरा माही वे होर मैनू की चाहिदा सरमेदानी वर्गा है मेरा माही वे होर मैनू की चाहिदा
Beautiful, Sneha, beautiful. If you could do first action, we can all try to repeat with you. What was your first action? Piya dose. 1, 2, 1, 2. That's it. Really elegant, right? Just slowly doing the action. I'm sure you can do it. And you know, they make your muscles really strong. I remember when I was performing a lot, my hands were so flexible. I can feel it after COVID. I'm not dancing a lot. I can even feel it in my fingers. So good one, Sneha, beautifully danced. Thank you so much for performing. She's also from Bazinga, and this is you choreograph yourself? Yes, so it's your choreography. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So now we are coming to the modern style dance. This is Bazinga again. So Bazinga is a group is formed by Shweta Chipur. She is the main person as I know, and I'm talking with her. And there are few girls in there. I'm trying to pronounce the name. I'm Indian, but new names are very difficult to pronounce sometimes. So I'm trying my best. As Meete, Sadika, Somia, Sudhakar, and Mahima, and Shweta Chipur. So all of them coming with the modern Bollywood dance for us. Bazinga, welcome on the stage. pronounce right name. Can I ask your name?
Hi everyone, I'm Soumya.
Hello, I'm Meeti.
Namaste, my name is Mahima.
Namaskaram, my name is Sweta.
Thank you. Come this way. So Shweta, when you started this group, how long ago?
They've started their classes a month and a half ago, and I started Bazinga 3 months ago.
So pretty new. We are lucky to have them here. Thank you so much, girls. Amazing time. Yes.
Just wanted to say that we are 5 people actually. Unfortunately, one of us didn't turn up today, which messed up our performance slightly. But I think we did a great job. Thank you so much, ladies. Bow down to you. Thank you so much for all your efforts always. Thank you.
Thank you, Shweta, and thank you, girls. Yeah, you did quite well. All the best. Now the next and the last performance before our fashion show start. So if anybody here from fashion show, I would request you to go in the green room and be ready. So if you can go to the green room, so I will start calling you. Okay? Thank you. So everybody from fashion show can go to the green room. And we are going to have a last performance with Desi Fever. Desi Fever, the group just danced before. Meena and her friends. Can I bring you on a stage now? So that's another fantastic performance we're going to see. This is going to be our last performance for dancing, and then we're ready for the fashion show, where we're going to take you in India from north to south, from west to east. And the east is so beautiful, and the west is very different, and north is very colorful, and south is very traditional. So you will see all the colors very soon in the fashion show. Come sir, have a seat. You can have a seat. Girls ready? Welcome. Backstage, please quiet down. Backstage. Backstage. Backstage, please quiet down. Everybody overexcited. Okay.
కూడా అంబర్పేట మల్లెపల్లి మలకపేట తిల్లు అన్న డీజే పెట్టే టిల్లా టిల్లా ఆడాలా మల్లేసన్న దావత్ల పన్ను గాని పడట్ల తిల్లు అన్న దిగిల్నంటే టిచ్చక్ టిచ్చక్ దుంకారా డీజే టిల్లు పేరు వినిస్తే సోకమని ఆగిను కొట్టకి
Hey buddy, this is a song which is gonna be a massive hit of the year.
Can we switch the language?
Like
What a beautiful end of the show. What a good energy. Chikni Chameli was part of it, right? I think I heard Chikni Chameli, yes. I had a couple of days ago event at the Mercedes-Benz who celebrated Diwali, and there was a little girl who was dancing on Chikni Chameli, 4-year-old, was doing such a great job that any dancer could do. She was really amazing. So now we are ending the performing show. Thank you so much to all dancers, everybody who become part of it, and now we're starting the fashion show. We are coming together, nearly 30 girls are participating in the fashion show. Not just girls, sorry about that. There are boys and they're going to represent South of India and Goa. So I'm going to start the fashion show really soon. If anybody need a little bit of break, you're welcome to get a water or need to go out to the washroom. We'll be starting in a minute the fashion show. You have the Spotify list? Spotify list? Is it the one? No, Spotify list. Didn't we send you any?
Auntie, we have to leave now.
Okay. Thank you, Beta. Thank you so much. You did so much, guys. Thank you.
He saved it on his thing. And he said it was this one. What is the Spotify list? I'll sort it out.
Yeah. Okay. Or just play any instrumental music of India.
I'll try to get your Spotify list. I think he sent it to Mox. So how can Mox send it to us? On my laptop? Yeah.
So everyone been here to India? Most, like I can see 60% Indian. But have you been to India at the back? No, you haven't been? I know Nikki have been. You guys been to India or you from India? No, you haven't been. It's a big adventurous country. Is Sue's husband, have you been to India? No, she's going in February. It's a very adventurous country. You have to visit once and pick a right season to go. Don't go in May, it's terrible. I went once in May, I just couldn't breathe, it was really hot. I've been here a long time now, so my body is not used to the heat. It was nearly 48 degrees one day, and I decided I'm never coming back in May. So go from the November, December, because it's a cooler temperature, and cooler means 35, which is our cooler, but it's really pretty cool when it's 35, 36 degrees. It's a fascinating country to visit. It's just a lot to learn. A lot of people who have visited always appreciate it. I'm working in this business 15 years and I have met so many people who love India very much, who are not from India. So do visit India. It's such a beautiful country. It's very colorful, lots of festivals. People are always on the go. I think they eat lots of garlic and onions, so overexcited and lots of happening with festivals.